Good morning. Next one, I am going to talk about CBDC, that is central bank digital currencies. CBDCs are digital forms of a country's flat currency issued and regulated by its central bank and are fixed in value by the government. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are decentralized and volatile, CBDCs aim to provide stability and are government backed. With the rise of innovative technologies like cryptocurrency and blockchain, the idea of cashless society has gained traction. As a result, various nations are actively developing or have already transitioned to using CBDCs. Understanding this shift is crucial as these digital currencies promise expanded financial accessibility, lower transaction cost, and enhanced monetary policy implementation. So, CBDCs are government issued digital currencies that mirror the value of a country's flat currency and aimed at enhancing financial inclusion and reducing transaction cost. And two types of CBDCs include wholesale CBDC and retail CBDC. So these wholesale CBDCs are primarily by financial institutions for interbank transfers and retail, which are accessible to general public for every day-to-day transactions. That is, wholesale CBDC would be a digital form of money issued by the RBA that is accessible to a limited range of wholesale market participants, such as financial institutions, and depending on the design of this form of money, other large institutions. It would be designed for use in wholesale payment and settlement systems. The RBA has not made any decision or introducing a wholesale CBDC. We continue to take research on a financial market implications of a wholesale CBDC, which markets could derive the most value. We are also investigating private sector innovations that could serve in place of or complement a wholesale CBDC. We have been collaborating with the external parties on this research and will continue to do so. Below is the this is the summary of a wholesale CBDC that we can have. So first one is request for CBDC, after that seller and CBIL, and we have to recover it. These are all the CBDCs. And talking about the next topic, uh, that is retail. What is this retail CBDC? That is mainly retail CBDC is a retail CBDC currency or a retail CBDC would be the only form of money that is both issued by government and can be used for both online and in-person transaction between consumers and businesses. A retail CBDC is, for the most part, a digital version of cash. It could be accessed through a phone app or a digital wallet. And a retail CBDC would not replace cash. That is, the RBA would continue to provide cash as it does now. Instead, a retail CBDC would provide Australians with a new way to pay in addition to existing payment options. And retail CBDCs are government backed digital currencies for consumers and businesses. And they reduce the risk of losing assets if a private digital currency issuer fails. And next one is about the key features of CBDC. What are the key features of CBDC? It is issued by RBI. That is, it is a legal tender that carries the guarantee of the central bank. And it is a digital form of cash. It has similar features to physical cash, such as convenience and finally of finality of settlement. Then digital wallet, that is, users can store and use through a digital wallet on their device. And interoperable, that is, it is designed to be interoperable with the existing payment systems like a UPI, allowing payments through QR codes, notes, access bank, etc. Offline capability. In some cases, it can be used for payment even without an internet connection using technology like NFC or Bluetooth nodes like notes. And purpose, it also aims to provide a safe and efficient digital payment option, enhance financial inclusion, and improve cross-border transactions by RBI. So these are all about the CBDC. Okay, thank you.